You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say this word correctly and more confusing vocabulary that many mispronounce in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Thick. So the th sound with your tongue between your teeth. Th. Thick is how you say it. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, it helps me immensely. Appreciate. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.